Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you all my Rubik's Cubes and all my Lego sets. So, this one is a burger one. You can turn it into a quad or like a tow truck or this. And then second, I have this cool truck. And I have this boat, but it broke. And then, I gotta show you this cool thing. And then I also got a dinosaur and one of these work things with a guy in it. And I also have an airplane. I also have a cool quad. And I have this thing. It goes with that. This thing smashes it. And then, oh yeah, I got this cat thing, but I'm not done it yet. And now time to show you my Rubik's Cubes. So my first one I have, which is a 4x4, a minion one, 2x2, 3x3, this cool one, this 2x2 other one, and this other Rubik's Cube, and this other Rubik's Cube, this Rubik's Cube. And that's it. Hope you guys like my video. See you in the next one today or tomorrow or today.